BreezaMax is marketed as a revolutionary portable air conditioner that supposedly cools entire rooms in minutes. But the real question is, should you avoid buying this thing altogether? Now, to be fair, BreezaMax is a real physical product. The problem is that it appears to function more like a tiny evaporative desk fan than a true air conditioner. What it does well may feel slightly cooler up close. Like most evaporative coolers, it can create a mild cooling sensation if the airflow is aimed directly at you. Portable and compact, the device is small enough for desks, bedside tables, or temporary personal cooling, where the hype completely falls apart. It is not a real air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Multiple investigations found the device has no compressor, refrigerant, or heat exhaust system, meaning it physically cannot function like a true AC. The NASA technology marketing appears fake. Several reviewers and Reddit users called out the repeated use of fake engineer stories and questionable NASA-inspired claims. It cannot cool entire rooms. Real portable air conditioners require large compressors and exhaust hoses. BreezaMax is essentially a tiny USB-powered evaporative cooler. SO. Should you buy BreezaMax? Short answer, probably not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.